my channel. My name is Tamara, and in today's video I'm going to share with you where I picked up all of my holiday decorations. If you've never been to the Dollarama, let me tell you, they have so many cute decorations, it's insane. A couple of years ago, I decided that it was time to pony up and get myself a proper haul full of all kinds of Christmas decor, stuff that I could use year after year. I can't even remember what led me to the Dollarama. Do you remember popping in and I was like, oh hey, they've got decorations. So I took a browse through the aisle and I was blown away because it was exact same decorations as every other store I was looking at. Same material, same style. It was crazy. So obviously I was like, I gotta pick some stuff up. And I was able to pick up like the cutest little stars, pine cones, faux holly, fairy lights. So I got for $2 a pop. I also picked up like all this garland. They were $4 a pop, so you can either use them singular or you can bunch them together and make them really fluffy, and still at $4 a pop, now you're at $8. I got this one really full piece from another big department store and it was $20. When you start thinking about, you know, all these little things that start to add up, it can get kind of like, it can get pretty expensive. The Dollarama, you guys, who knew?